Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are studying very sincerely. So, in the previous video we learned about India, our country. If you haven't watched my videos, so please visit my channel and watch them. In today's video we are going to learn about India physical divisions. So, let's read together. Watch this video till the end to understand everything clearly. Learn the song. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुल सिता हमारा. Who wrote this patriotic poem? Write your answer in the comments. India is a unique country. India is unique country. It is mountainous, level, fertilized as well as burn. It has ancient plateaus and young fallen mountains. India has plateaus and young fallen mountains. India has varied geographical features, different climate conditions, soils and natural vegetations. In this chapter, we will try to understand what makes our country so distinct and unique. You can see here. The Himalayas. The northern mountains run across the northern border of India. They extended from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. West side Jammu and Kashmir and east side Arunachal Pradesh, right? The two mountain ranges, the Himalayas and the Karakoram ranges. From the northern mountains, the Himalayas which mean a body of snow. Write this in your notebook. This is very important. Are the highest mountain range in the world. They form a big wall along the northern borders of India and a natural boundary between India and China. Their total length is about 2,400 kilometers. Total length 2,400 kilometers. And their width varies from about 150 kilometers in the east. How many kilometers each side? 150 kilometers. And west side? About 400 kilometers in the west. West side 400 kilometers. Write this in your notebook. This is very important. Many Indian states like Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, along with some other northeastern states, West Bengal and Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir, or parts of the northern mountain region. So, tell me how many Union Territory are there in India? Write your answer in the comments. Please look at the map. The hill ranges in the northeast, the east are the Garo, Khasi, Naga, Jantia and Mezo hills. These hills ranges are not very high and are covered with thick forest. You can see here. Khasi, Jantia, Mezo hills and Naga. Here, Khasi. Khasi is located here, right? This Great Himalayas, right? Located. Look at the map. The Himalayas have three parallel mountain ranges. Three parallel mountains, right? Himadri, the greater Himalayas. Himachal, the middle Himalayas. Shivalik, the lesser Himalayas. The Himadri range is also known as the Great Himalayas, right? Wait a moment. It is the northernmost range with an average height of over 6,000 meters. The Himadri range is the highest and therefore remains covered with snow throughout the year. Huge masses of ice called glaciers are found in this mountainous region. Rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers, right? Mount Everest and Mount Kanchenjunga and Mount Annapurna are some of the high peaks in these regions. So tell me, what are the height? Okay, what are the height of Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga in kilometer? Write your answer in the comments. I will check. Some of the important mountains passes like Zojila Pass and Changla Pass, Jammu and Kashmir, are located in this range. The Himadri region receives very heavy rainfall. Due to it is very cold temperature. Life for the people and animals is very difficult. Cultivation is also not possible in this region. Not possible. People and animals, very difficult live. The Himachal range is also known as the Middle Himalayas, right? This is the Middle Himalayan range. The mountains are lower than that of the Himadri and lie towards it is south. Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh is located in this range. Trees like Phan, cherry and deodar cover the slopes of these mountains. Fruits like apples, plums, peaches, apricots, pears and cherries are grown here. These mountain slopes are favorable for terrace farming. Wait a moment. Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Dalhousie, Shimla, Kulu, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling live in this range. Who has visited Shimla and Kulu? Tell me in the comments, right? Who has visited Shimla and Mussoorie? Tell me in the comments, right? During the summer season, tourists visit these hill stations to beat the heat of the plains. The summer months are cool and pleasant versus the winter months are cold. In this range, the lower slopes have orchards. Pronunciation orchards. While in the east, tea plantations are found. You can see the Shivalik Range. If you haven't liked my videos and subscribed to my channel yet, please like the videos and subscribe now. The Shivalik Range is also known as the Lesser Himalayas, right? The Shivalik Range is the lowest and the southernmost range of the Himalayas. It is made of hills rather than mountains. This range is famous for the thick forest and wildlife, which includes tigers, leopards, bears, and crocodiles. Most of the land here is used for growing crops like maize, potatoes, and rice. The slopes of these hills are utilized for terrace farming. Cattle rearing is also common in this range. The terrain region form the foothills of the Shivalik range, most of the which lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is a flat marshy area that receives a lot of rainfall. As a result, crops like wheat, sugarcane, and rice and cultivated here. The Terai region is enriched with many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is a place of tourist interest. Who has visited Jim Corbett National Park? Tell me in the comment section, right? Thank you so much for watching my video.